Many fans got to see the Crimson Tide stars of today at Bryant-Denny. However, the Alabama stars of yesterday were competing in Tuscaloosa today as well. The third annual Chris Rogers Paintball Tournament took place today at Central High School. Notable past football players who participated included Mark Ingram as well as Robert Lester. This event allowed children the unique chance to hang out with the athletes they look up to. Proceeds from the event go towards supporting the charity Together Assisting People.
Yeah, I mean, TAP's all about together assisting people, and the most important thing, preparing these athletes to be successful outside athletics. And as you see, as you watch ESPN, these athletes are going broke. Just ESPN 30 for 30. These athletes don't understand social media, how to pull up their pants, how to do the little things right. And just being fortunate, being a part of the University of Alabama program and good parenting, I want to go back into the community and teach these young athletes what not to do, to be proactive.
Now, to find out more about the TAP program, you can visit their website at www.tapinc.us.